Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, or I suppose good morning, good evening, depending on when you're actually watching this. The video today will be about how I sign you up with Epicure, because a lot of people do ask, well, is there a website that I can just go to? Is there a link that I can go to enter in my information? You know, how does that work? Because for a lot of companies where you're signing up for something, they would send you to a link. Makes sense. But with Epicure, we do things a little bit differently because we don't want consultants, or I should say they don't want consultants to just randomly be just sending people links to, sign up now, here's a link, sign up now, right? They don't want us to do that. So they want people who are interested to actually reach out to a consultant who they want to sign up with, and then we give you the information from there. So how I sign people up is I actually do it through a website that I made myself. So I'm just going to actually pause the video for a moment because I forgot to get that link. So let me just get that for you guys right now, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. So you are looking at a new screen right now, which is, this is the website that I just happened to make, like on my own, okay? And I do need to update it a little bit. It's been about a month since I did any updates, but as you guys can see, this is just something that I created. Now, Epicure does give you your own website when you become a consultant, and you do not have to pay more for that. But this is just something that I created for potential consultants who may be interested but want to learn more. And if you guys go up to Epicure USA and just sort of run your mouse along that here, and then click on Epicure sign up. So you just have to click that, and then this is how you sign up. So this link isn't through the Epicure company. This is my own link that I created so that when I have people contact me and say, how do I sign up? Epicure sounds awesome. Can you tell me how I can sign up? So I just send them this link here. So I can actually leave this link for you guys in the video. You just have to click that, and then you just have to fill in everything here, and then it gets sent right to me, and then I go under my Epicure like online system to sign you up. So you just have to fill in everything here, make sure everything is correct, click submit down here, easy, and then it will send me the email pretty much right away, and then I will email you back letting you know that I did get your form, and then I will sign you up. So how do I sign people up, you might be asking. So let me just cancel this website here, and then I had just logged into my Epicure back office. So this is our Epicure. When you become a consultant, you will have the exact same thing. So you would just go to myepicure.com, enter in your username, password, easy. But then I go up to these three little lines here. I click on sponsoring right here. And then this is how I sign people up. This is the only way you can sign anybody up, okay? So then I just click add a new consultant, and then this is how I would add you from here. So I do let everybody know. Here, I'm just gonna stop sharing my screen for a second. But I do let everybody know that when you send me your name, email, credit card info, that I do send you, sorry guys, got this little hair hanging there. That drives me crazy. Happens with pretty much every video I do. I don't know why. Sorry about that. But anyways, as I was saying, so I like to let you know. So I do send you a screenshot of the whole process so that you can see that I, A, did indeed sign you up, and B, that you're signing up for the Epicure kit. So I do send you a screenshot of that, and then it will send me a confirmation number that I did sign you up for the business kit. So I do send you a picture of that too, and then Epicure will email you back saying like welcome to the team. But depending on when you sign up, it might take a couple hours. Like I have found if I sign people up on the weekend, you will not get that email from Epicure until a couple hours later, sometimes even a day later. Like it seems to be different for everybody. So don't be alarmed if you don't get that email. As long as I'm sending you those like pictures showing you how I signed you up, and I do send you the confirmation number, you know that you have signed up, okay? The kit takes about a week to 2 weeks to come in. That's it. A lot of people are getting their kits within about a week's time, which is awesome. So you will get like a huge kit. It is amazing. You will love it. And then you can get started. So I will be either sending you an email, a message, like depending on how you did reach out to me. And then we just talk, like if you have any questions, anything. I like to go on a live chat often, actually, like just in case people have any questions. I need to actually do that soon, so I'll probably do that. I'm thinking even tomorrow. Today is Sunday, tomorrow's Monday. I'm going to do a post in the Epicure page now and say that I'm going to be going on a live chat with everybody tomorrow. I'm thinking 7 o'clock. No, maybe 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock's a good time. Anyways, so if you sign up with me, you know that I'll be talking to you guys the whole time. You don't just simply sign up and then never hear from anybody again, okay? That's not how I do things. Like, you will hear from me the whole time. You will have millions of questions. That's okay with me. Questions is a good thing, and it's kind of nice too, because anytime people have questions, I might be going, oh, that's a really good question. I never thought to talk about that. So let me hop on YouTube, do a video, and then I can help more people. So if you have questions, let me know. But yeah, you guys, so I will copy the link that I had shown you in the video here on the bottom. The link to the Facebook page is there as well. If you guys have questions, let me know. I'm so excited for you guys to get started in the USA because the full launch is in a couple weeks. If you're in Canada, the good news is we have launched in Canada. So you can sign up right now. You can get your kit right away, and then you can start selling. So exciting, exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.